Hello and welcome back to Petra Draws. Today I decided to do DIY, so let's get to it. I did not show me doing it because I didn't want it to take too long of a video. So basically all I did is I used a hand sanitizer bottle from Bath & Body Works. You can get yours from wherever you want. And I ripped off the sticker and then I coated it with this to make it look really nice because it has like a bunch of sparkles in there. Then I used blue and pink paint. I put the blue all around here, then the pink, and I just blended it in the middle with some pink. And I did it to all the sides. And then I'd smack it down on the napkin I used. Because it'd make it easier and it adds some like a dotted detail to it. You can use whatever colors you want and however you want. It's just that since it was a crimson plum one and it's purple, I kind of wanted to do like a galaxy look. Well, I hope you watch some of my other videos. Please like or subscribe to my channel. See you next time.